Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Project Freelance. I'm your host, Kay, and this is a podcast all about freelancing where I give you tips and tricks to level up your career as a freelancer, whether you're a videographer, an editor, or any other type of creative. I also interview people on this podcast, so please go back in the timeline and listen to some old episodes. If you're watching on YouTube, there's also a playlist on YouTube where you can listen to the podcast, but it's also on Spotify and Apple Podcasts if you guys are interested in subscribing over there. This week, I wanted to talk to you guys about 10 AI editing tools that will level up your videos in 2024. And if you stick around all the way to the end, I also have a new job site where if you are a video editor and you're looking for a high quality YouTube creator to edit for, there's a new site that you can sign up to and make your portfolio, and it's completely free. So definitely stick around to the end. And if you are a YouTuber looking for an editor, check out this site as well. All right, let's dive right in. Last week, I talked about this new AI tool called Opus Pro, and I'm going to start off with that one again this week because I think it's absolutely invaluable as an editor to use something like this to make your short form content out of that long form content that you are making. So Opus Pro, not only can you put a video link into the platform and it will generate you between 4 and 25 clips from your video depending on the length. I've been using it for my podcast. I've been using it for some vlogs, even though it says that it's mainly for like talking videos, but it will still cut up your vlogs, and it ranks them on the a scale of like virality, like how likely is this video to go viral if you post it using their AI tool. So if you go to opus.pro/clips for cash, they are giving $4,000 away. All you have to do is take a video, any video from John Uche's YouTube channel, and post it to your YouTube, your channel, your TikTok, and you have to tag him. There's rules, obviously. The most viewed on any single post is $1,500. Second most viewed is $1,000. Third most viewed is $500. And single channel that posts the most clips gets $1,000. And it actually shows you the winner's board of like who has the most right now. So that's pretty cool and helpful, so you know like where you're ranking. So definitely go check out opus.pro/clips for cash if you guys are interested in potentially winning some money and utilizing your platform in order to basically boost someone else's content. But it also is a good way to show off your editing skills and your utilization of opus.pro. So go check that out. I'll put a link in the description. So on Opus Pro, you get like an hour and a half free when you sign up. If you are looking to upgrade, I do have an affiliate code in the description that can get you more time basically on Opus Pro to upload and make more videos on that platform. Definitely check it out. So number 2 is a plugin for Premiere Pro. It's called Firecut, and basically what it does is it is like Opus Pro, but it's in Premiere. So you don't have to like upload a YouTube link or a Google Drive link. You just basically put your video into Firecut on Premiere Pro, and it will make those subtitles for you. It will allow you to choose your style. So there's like Hormozy style. There's like a bunch of different styles of text boxes that it can make for you, and then it can transcribe your video. It's a very powerful tool. Obviously, it is not free. There is a free version, I believe, but if there's an affiliate code, I will put that in the description for you guys as well. And those affiliate codes do help me out. So if you guys are interested in supporting the channel and you want to try one of these tools out, definitely use an affiliate code because I get a little bit of kickback, which helps me make more videos like this. All right, the next one is Submic. Submic is another subtitle tool, but it also gives you the ability to add B-roll to your videos. Submic is super cool because it allows you to not only add B-roll that you choose, it like uses AI to like guess what you want, but you can also change it in Submic. Not only that, but it also gives you an AI made description so that when you post on social media, there is a subscription that Submic thinks will make your video pop. It includes hashtags and things like that, things that are very helpful and useful when it comes to posting on social media. So definitely check out Submic. I do have an affiliate code for that one. Check the link in the description if you are interested. So if you are looking for a free tool for sound effects packs, go to Zapplat. It is a site that is amazing. There are so many different free sound effects packs on Zapplat. Definitely check it out if you are looking to level up your sound effects game and you maybe don't have a subscription to Epidemic Sound or Artlist. check out Zapplat. It's free. There's free sample packs for sound effects. Definitely go check that out if you are, like I said, trying to level up your SFX game. The next one is pretty cool. It is Playphrase.me. This is not, it's kind of an AI tool, but basically it is a library of different clips from TV and movie and news and like social media all over the world, all over every art medium that you can think of. Basically what you do if you are trying to, for example, if I wanted to say something like a sentence about the devil, if I typed in the devil, it will bring up thousands of clips that have that phrase in the video. You get 10 clips for free when you first sign up for the site. You could just keep using new emails if you really don't want to like pay for it. But it is a Patreon model, which is pretty cool. So the creators use Patreon for a subscription base, and it's like $5 a month to use this, and you can use it in all your social media, YouTube, all that stuff. It's super cool. I think it's an awesome site and a very cool way to utilize the existing material that is out there. So definitely check out playphrase.me. If you are looking for content ideas, head over to Deck of Brilliance. A deck of cards has 52 cards in it. So Deck of Brilliance has 52 idea generation tools. It's a really cool website. It's very clean and sleek if you actually check out the website. So yeah, if you're looking for ideas for content, there's examples. It shows you how to use the site. It shows you the examples, and you can pick on one of those cards and it will generate ideas for you. It's super fascinating to see all these new AI tools being created and how people are utilizing AI to level up their content and help others level up their content as well. So a huge shout out to all these different sites and apps that have been created to help us as video editors. The next thing I have for you is a website by Mr. Horse. And if you go to Starter Pack, there are Premiere Pro plugins that give you text boxes, sound effects, transitions, social media banners, and that's all in the free version. The paid version, you get 2D effects, sound effects, typography, shape elements, and more transitions. It's actually super cool. So if you are looking for some free Premiere plugins like text boxes and social media banners and things like that, definitely go check out Mr. Horse's website. The next one is more music related. If you are looking for sound effects, if you are looking for music that is like used to be exclusive for TV and filmmakers, now we have access for it. You might recognize the creator. It's actually Universal Music for creators. So if you go over there and check it out, it was, like I said, exclusive for the best TV and film editors, but now it's available to you and I as video editors. So if you are looking for trendy songs, if you're looking for amazing curated sound effects, it's $5.99, but it's under an annual plan, so it's $5.99 a month, but they bill annually. That's the Creator plan. The Creator Pro plan is $12.99 a month, but they charge annually. But if you want to sign up for a monthly plan, I have an affiliate code that will give you a bit of a discount. I think it's like a couple days free or 60 days free or something like that. But all the details will be down in the description for you. Definitely go check that out if you're looking for trendy music and sound effects that are copyright claim free that you can use in your YouTube videos. For those cool animated emojis that are really exciting and not just like an emoji that pops in like on, most people's videos. If you want like an animated emoji, something that is more exciting for your video, go to just type in animated emojis on Google, and the top link is GitHub, and that's where you're going to go. Click that link. And it is absolutely free. You just type in the emoji you want, and it makes you these really cool animated emojis for your videos. Definitely check out GitHub's animated emojis. And the last one, something that I think everybody will appreciate and love. We're always looking for those light leaks and film burns and lens flares, all these cool like transitionary video highlight clips. But it's so hard to find them on the internet, and a lot of people sell their creator packs and things like that, which is cool, and I am all for supporting creators and their creations. But if you are on a budget, or if you are just starting out as a video editor and you are looking for film burns and light leak transitions and lens flares, go to ineedfx.com. They're all completely free. Definitely check out that site if you are looking for some cool transitions for your videos. So those are my 10 AI and editing tools for 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed this. But before you go, I did mention at the beginning, there is a new website that is a job board for video editors for YouTube specifically. It is called, YT Jobs, youtubejobs.com. I checked it out yesterday and I applied for pretty much not every video editing job. I applied for about 40 to 50 video editing jobs, but it's not just for video editing. If you are a thumbnail designer, if you are a YouTube producer, if you are a manager for YouTube content, go check out ytjobs.com, and it tells you the price per project or price per hour, or if it's a salary-based job, you can decide the parameters that you want to search under. It's amazing, and it shows you the creator, so you can actually check out their channel. They give you 3 like sample references for what they're looking for as far as like video production, or if you are an editor, it shows you the type of video that they want it to look like as far as editing goes. A lot of people are using like Mr. Beast for their sample edit, and it's really cool. It's a cool site. Like I said, I just started applying last night at like 8 p.m. So I haven't heard back from anybody yet, but I will keep you guys updated on my social media if I get any editing jobs through ytjobs.com. But definitely go check it out if you are a video editor, a producer, a script writer, or if you are just interested in managing people's YouTube content. Go check out YT Jobs. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you on your journey as a video editor in 2024. Let's level up our content together. Thank you for listening to Project Freelance. If you are a freelancer that would like to share your story about how you built your business as a freelancer, hit me up. Contact at justtheletterk.com, or you can DM me on Instagram, Project Freelance, or you can tweet at me at @kanagonio. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Also, if you want to see more of my like creative work, head to my new YouTube channel, Just the Letter K Productions. I'll put a link in the description. I'll talk to you guys next week. Stay strong, keep enduring, go out and go create something.